Hey guys, this is Nick from ForexForNoobs.com with some GBP USD analysis for week starting Sunday the 9th of June 2013. You're looking at a GBP USD 8-hour chart. I do my analysis on 8-hour charts these days, but the analysis is applicable to 4-hour charts and above. So all these support and resistance areas I'm going to be showing you can be used on the 4-hour, 8-hour, daily, so on and so forth. I'm going to be showing you some support and resistance areas today, and I use these support and resistance areas to trade reversals. If you want to find out more about how I trade, there's a link to my free strategy below. So check that out and you'll get to see how I use these support and resistance areas to take reversal trades. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the resistance areas. They're the ones above current price. Right now, the first resistance area is the 155.45 through to the 155.75. That is this one here. Price is actually currently bouncing from this resistance area and we're getting a reversal. I'm not entering this reversal because the preceding trend, that's the trend running up to the resistance area, was not big enough. It was quite a small preceding trend, so I'm not taking this trade. But we are getting a reversal, and the price action indicates right now that sellers are taking control of the market and they're going to continue to push down. But I'm not confident in that move. I'm not confident enough to take the trade simply because the preceding trend was not strong enough. And it is very possible that sellers are going to run out of strength around about this area. Because as we can see, price recently bounced. Let me make this a little wider. Price recently bounced from this area. So it's very possible that when the sellers reach down into this area, they're going to run into some trouble. So this is not a trade I would take, but the price action is telling us that sellers are entering the market right on top of our resistance area, which is pretty good. So I won't really be trading this resistance area this week unless price moves away from it first. So if price comes down to here, and then it moves back up into this resistance area, I will be looking for some signs of indecision, much like this sign here, and I will probably be entering a short reversal trade. The good thing about this resistance area is it's proved itself right now. Right now it is proving itself. It's showing us that there are sellers in this area. So that is a good sign for this resistance. But like I said, I won't be trading it unless price moves away from it and then comes back up. So we get a strong preceding trend heading up into the resistance area. We get some indecision and then we get that reversal that I would trade. Okay, so let's look at the next resistance area. It is the 156.45 through to the 156.80, roughly. It's this one here. We got a strong bounce from it last week. As you see, we got this huge wick coming up here and it reversed from it. So this has confirmed that this is a pretty strong area of resistance. There's loads of sellers up here. So if buyers manage to break through the previous resistance area and come up into this resistance area and we get some signs of indecision, I will be looking to take a short trade here, short reversal trade. And like I said, if you want to find out more about how I take these trades, my free strategy is linked to below. Okay, next we have the 157.70 through to the 158.00 roughly. This is again a pretty strong resistance area. It's had quite a few bounces in the past. So if price manages to come up to here, I'll be looking for some signs of indecision and I will be looking to take a bearish reversal trade. Now let's look at the support areas real quick. The first support area is here. It's the 154.40 through to the 154.75. Now remember, these are all support resistance areas, so you don't have to be very precise with the placement because it's just that price bounces in this general area. I usually have the center line and 10 to 15 pips to either side I have the outside lines. So it's not a precise thing, it's just because it's a support resistance area. Price doesn't really bounce from specific points, it bounces from areas. So this area spans roughly between the 154.40 and the 154.75. And yeah, it's this one here. So if the sellers come down to here and then we get some signs of indecision, I'll definitely be looking to take a long trade here because buyers are going to probably try to enter the market here. And if there's strong signs that they are in fact entering the market, I will be going long. The next support area is the 153.45 through to the 153.75. That's down here. Again, this is a pretty strong area of support. It's acted well as both support and resistance recently. We got some resistance there, and if you go back further, you'll see some good signs of resistance and support. So if price comes down to here, I will be looking for indecision, and I'll be looking to take a bullish reversal trade. And the final one is here at the 152.35 through to the 152.65 roughly. So this one here. Again, strong area of both support and resistance, acted well as resistance recently here too. So it's acted well as resistance recently, had several bounces, and now it's acting as support. There are going to be buyers grouped here, and they will be looking to enter the market once price comes down to here. So if price manages to get down to here, I will be looking for some signs of indecision on this area, and I'll be looking to enter a bullish reversal trade. That is it for the GBP USD analysis this week, guys. I'm going to be in the chat room all week. It's a free chat room. There's a link to it below, so join me in the chat room. And also check out the free strategies for some more information on how I actually take these trades and how you can put this analysis into action. So I'll see you guys around the site. Have a great trading week.